How are you, students? Today we are going to discuss about the earth, our home, and also we'll discuss about the star, about the planets, and you also try to be shine as a star and study nicely. So we see the earth is heavenly body. It is said that the earth is heavenly body. Actually, what is heavenly bodies? Natural objects like sun, moon, stars, which are visible in the sky, is called the heavenly body. The sun, our sun is a star. Sun, our sun is a star, and some other objects also in the sky which have no light. They have no light their own, and they are getting light from the sun. They are getting light from the sun and their brightness on account of sunlight. They keep moving, they keep moving inside the sun all the time, and they form the family of the sun. So that family is known as the solar system. The family is known as the solar system. Our earth is also one among them, and earth is called the blue planet. Blue planet means the earth has more parts covered with water. Earth is one among them and called the blue planet because the earth has water in liquid form, and 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with the water, which is colored blue. So earth is called the blue planet. The earth has air around it. It is called the atmosphere. The earth has livable condition. So we found there is life on the earth only. Earth only is there the planet where the life exists. The earth is neither too near nor too far from the sun. The shape of the earth is round. The shape of the earth is round, and it revolves round the sun. It is pointed out by the Galileo, the great astronomer. And further, in 1519, the Ferdinand Magellan started his voyages, and after 3 years, he returned back in the same place from where he started. So we can say the earth is round. In the third proof we can see in 1968, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Aldrin landed on the moon. They landed on the moon. the moon. Landed on the moon, and they have taken the photographs. In that photographs, Earth looks like a ball, and we call sphere, and flat at the top and the bottom, just like an orange. This is the shape of the earth. And now a glance on planets. There are 8 planets. 8 planets. Planets in the solar system. Solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are now 8 planets, but Pluto was also there. Nowadays the Pluto is removed from the planet. It is not a planet. Now these are the 8 planets of the solar system which are moving surrounding the sun, and our Earth is the 3rd planet. Thank you.